Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider to subscribe because I have awesome stuff coming. Today's video is about the GMC Yukon. Finally, my buddy called me and told me that he took his car off of the frame. Now I can get my Yukon, pull some frame on it, and start assembling. Also, today I'm gonna be without the camera person. So mostly it's gonna be sitting like this and you guys watching me working. So let's not waste our time. Let's get the Yukon on my buddy trailer and get to his shop and start working on Yukon. Big shout out to my buddies for letting me use his truck and trailer. My trailer currently used under some car that I can't get it off right now, because my trailer is too tall and I need the help get it out. That's some new project gonna be later down the road on the channel. Now let's load the Yukon on the trailer, hook it up and drive to his shop. Alright guys, everything is hooked up. The car is on the trailer, tied down. I got everything that I need. Let's go to my buddy's shop and get this car on the frame rack. I'm so excited to start working on it and finally this project start getting somewhere. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I'm at the dent repair. So I finished with the frame. Now I'm gonna drop it off the car to dent repair and I'll leave it for him until he calls me and tell me that it's finished. Let's unload it and go home, do other project. Guys, I got the Yukon back. The dent repair did phenomenal job on those doors and quarter panel. You can see over here, he pulled it out absolutely everything, but I see a couple gouges here and there. So let's buff this out first to see if I missed or he missed anything. And then I'm gonna move to the frame rail and grind this piece of the old mounting out and gonna weld the new one in. It's currently there, sitting, waiting for me. And after that, the whole thing can start being assembled back together. So let's not waste the time. Let's get it buffered and buff those doors and quarter panel out. I finished buffing. I couldn't get out those scratches, they're too deep. So I'm gonna have to repaint this whole side with the rear bumper. But I like how Dent Repair did his job. So what I'm gonna do is just send a few spots with the 800 grit or 600 grit, probably 400 grit, to get Dent Repair's orange pills. They're a little bit heavy over here and over here, but that's not an issue whatsoever. Now, let's move to this frame rail. And I need to grind out those welds. I pulled it here and here and here. This is the old attachments for the bracket. Let's cut this out and weld the new bracket in. Guys, I finished welding. The welds came out nice, side welds, but the top one didn't come out nice, so I had to grind off this top little bit inside so it looks better. But the mount is welded, and that's it. We can put this thing together now. I don't know, I like this. I really like this side weld. Came out nice, but before I can finish it, it's shut it off the weld. I don't know why, but I mean, that's it. Now I'm gonna scuff this area down a little bit and apply undercoat, and that's it. Guys, that's it for this episode. The bracket weld back in. I'm really happy. It's finally started getting somewhere. I've been waiting so long on the Dent repair. He was really busy. The car was at his shop for about a week. Now, everything's supposed to go smoothly. I hope, finger crossed, the rebuilds never go smoothly. I don't know how somebody does it, but on my side it never goes smoothly. Plus, I do maintain my full-time job. Same thing as my camera person. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share, subscribe, and comment down below how you like it. Maybe you don't like it, maybe you have some advice for me. But that's it. Stay tuned for next video, and I'll see you next one.